the airbag light on. I would like to share with you how to check the airbag light on for 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. In Canada. There you go. Hyundai Santa Fe 2.4 liter. Control unit, airbag. The car resistance too high. Driver airbag. The code B1346. Okay, now we go back exit. Try to clear the light. Same, and not clear the light. Okay, so now what we have to do, just leap over there. Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you how to replace the this car, 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. The airbag light on. The code number is the B1346. So the lock rings, they call it lock spring, the part number from dealer. So before we take it out, I recommend you remove the battery from negative side, wait for 5-10 minutes, and then we go inside to remove the lock spring. Okay, so let's do together. So it is still, you have to remove the airbag, driver side airbag over here, but I have the lock spring over here, so we have to remove this cover. So what we have to do, we use a screwdriver. I don't know which one exactly to go inside. We use small screwdriver because they have the clip like something like a spring to push in and they pop up. Let's see, it's hard to see inside, but okay, I use small screwdriver. I try, let's see. It should be when you put on, and it should be going. Yeah, you see that? Then go move up. Okay, when you do like this, I go do another side the same. Okay, look. Okay, so now I do another side. It's hard to see inside. Yes. Okay, we use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, pushing, and it coming out. Look, it hard, but I mean like you can try. Okay, so now I'm going to remove it. Okay, so now we got this one. To remove this wire first. Okay. They have two wire over here. So one. Make it far more easy. And let's do more over here. Okay. So this one is the clip up. Okay, to remove the wire harness. Okay, so now this one, when you remove it, always face down like this, because just in case it blow up. Okay, so now before we move this one, and we have to remove this nut over here, and the steering nut. Okay, everyone, today, so now the socket 21 over here. I see the 19, but not 19, 21. So I use my ratchet. I remove the steering nut over here. Just tight. Okay. So over here to remove the cover out, use more screwdriver. Okay, now before we remove it, we make sure you're gonna master gear. Yeah, they have the master gear. We cannot go wrong. They're gonna have the master gear. So we're gonna make sure master gear. I'm gonna punch over here, mark it out, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna mark on the top one. It'll never go wrong. So I will leave just move up and down like this. Okay, like that, and remove out. Okay, yeah, look, we go up like this. Okay, put it steering one away. So we change this one, this part. I don't know, we have to remove this cover too. Probably. So I have to remove a little bit. It's a number 8 socket. So all the Phillips screwdriver. Let me turn the camera up. So I use Phillips screwdriver. I want to see them more easy. Yeah, easy to last it anyway. Okay. To remove cover, it's more easy. Over here. So just need some more screwdriver. More easy. Should be coming out easy. Okay. Yeah. Bottom one should have the ball over here. They have a lot of ball to bottom one. Shit. more on the bottom one. Hopefully easy. Okay, let me go move camera down a little bit. I want to see what kind of balls. I'm going to flip over here. Okay, one bottom one. Should be coming out easy. Okay, drop it down. Okay, now move camera a little bit back over here. You get more easy to see that. So, yeah, the clip over here, hard to see that. Okay, so now if you really want it, you order the new one, and you can see how to remove the old one. Okay. Here, that's a new one. It's supposed to be like this. So they have one clip over here, one clip over here, and three clip. So when you remove that, put the clip out and go up easy. Okay, the clip over here for now. They have the clip. So now we remove it. So one over here on the top. Okay, two on the other side. Yes, another side. Okay, and take it out. And that's it. And the bottom one, they have the wire. Okay, just remove over here and see the wire. They have two clip over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. Just remove it and remove the clip over here. Yeah. Go down. Oh, that's it. Easy to have two. So now we install it. Here, the new one installed. After we install, we remove this one, but not remove now, the yellow one. So what we have to do, we put on together. Alright. And then we plug the bottom one, the harness. Okay, make sure you clip in. Okay, make sure the clip. Okay, now you plug the harness on. Yes, and the second one. Okay, can you hear that? Yes, make sure the wire go in. Now, put the cover back together. Okay. Okay, so but the problem is when you put together this one. Yeah, we have to remove that one. Yeah, this one we take it out later on, not a big deal. Okay, so now we put this one on together. Okay, make sure they go in. Okay, now we'll put the screw on. Okay. One over here and two on the top. But the bottom one we tie them up later, not a big deal. This one we have to tie them first. Okay. Now we put this one on before we move this one, because when we install this one, you remove this one. They never move. Okay. So it should be removed this one first after. Let me see. You know, after. Yeah. Put the tie first. Make sure put in this hole. Okay. They gotta go master gear. Cannot go wrong anyway. I really mark it down anyway. So now before we install the tight the bolt, make sure we remove the yellow one over here. They want to clip up to remove that one more easy. Okay, I'm gonna go up a little bit. I want to make sure they're coming out. Yeah, coming. Yeah, he broken over here. Should be coming. Okay, 1 second. Let me move back a little bit. Here. Remove this one first. See? That's more easy. Okay, coming out. Make sure I put the right center. Now, put together. Okay, that's it. Right in the center. When you mark it, but I have the master gear, but I recommend when no matter what, you have to mark it out better. You do your way. So now we put this one back together. Okay. Okay. The horn after. So this was the old one. Put away. Now tie them up. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now we put this airbag module on. Make sure put the wires in the right situation. Okay, put the horn. It's supposed to be like this. Okay, right here. Go back over here. Like this. Okay. sure. Okay. Okay, so now what we have to do, put back together. Okay. Now we're just pushing down. Okay, because they have the wire over here. See that one? We push this one and they move. Okay, they have the clip over here. So we put in and then they coming out. So now we put it back, they clip up the clip, that's all. Okay, so now we put on down. Make sure the wire, anything clear before we install. Nope. That's it. Perfect. Okay, so now put the battery on, clear the line, and that's it, good to go. Okay, so let me go out and put the battery back together. See that line? They on before, now they up. They automatically up. Look, see the airbag light on before, now they up, it's supposed to be up. And that's it, gone. Let me start the car. No more light. That's it. Fix it. Okay, anyone, so the airbag, fix it. So let me go. So I will show you. 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. Like this one. Sorry. They were the airbag. They call the Clockspring. They're very easy to change. Maybe I think so, like half an hour. And then the part number right here. The part number from Hyundai, from dealer, original OEM. So I recommend from dealer better. You can change, replace the aftermarket, but I mean like maybe a few months later you have a problem again, right? So I recommend Mike recommended product original better. Okay, right? So thank you very much for watching my video. See you in next video. Ciao.